So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to evaluate this integral, and in the numerator it is given that we have x minus 1 whole square, and in the denominator we have x power 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. So let's see how we can do this integral. So first of all I write that integral here, and let's assume it is equal to I. And now what you can do, you can open this square, it will come like x square plus 1 minus 2x, and in the denominator we have x power 4 plus x square plus 1, and here it is dx. So now you can split this integral in two parts. One is this x square plus 1, and another is this 2x. So I can write this integral in this way, like here it is x square plus 1, and in the denominator we have the same thing. Here it is 2x, and in the denominator we have again the same thing. So now what you can do, you can divide this numerator and this denominator by x square. So it will come like 1 plus 1 by x square, and here it will come like x square. And if you divide this 1 by x square, it will come like 1 by x square, and x square by x square, it will come like 1. So you can write uh, this thing in this way after dividing the numerator and denominator by x square. So this is the thing. Now if you look at this part here, what you can do, you can assume t is equal to x square, and if you do the differentiation both side, it will come like 2x dx is equal to dt. So here in the numerator we have 2x dx, so we can replace this by dt, and here you can replace this x square by t and this x power 4 by t square. So after simplification, this part will give us this. We assume t is equal to x square here. So now we have to simplify these two further. So how we can do this? So you look at this in the first part. This the numerator is the same, and I write the denominator in this way, like x minus 1 by x whole square plus 3. So if you open, it will come like x plus 1 by x square minus 2 plus 3, and after simplifying, it will give the same thing, like 3 minus 2, it is equal to 1. So here it is 1. So you can write this whole thing in this way. So now you see this t square plus t plus 1. So what you can do, you can write in this way, like t plus half whole square and plus 3 by 4. So if you open this, it will exactly come like this. So here I write that t plus 1 whole square plus 3 by 4. So now you note this, the integral of these type, like dx divided by a square plus x square, it is equal to like 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. This is one standard integral. So this type of integral has a solution like this, 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus some constant of integration. So here it is the similar type of integral, like if you assume this, like x minus 1 by x is equal to some u, then then you do the differentiation both side, it will come like 1 plus 1 by x square dx is equal to du. So you can replace this whole thing by du, and in the denominator we have u square plus 3. So this is the same type of integral. Here a square will come like 3. So then this integral will come like 1 by root 3 tan inverse of u by root 3. Just I replace a by root 3, and here x by u, because here the variable is u, and we know u is x minus 1 by x. So you can replace u by x minus 1 by x. Here it is root 3, here it is also root 3, and here it is tan inverse. So in this simple way we can do this. Similarly, this is also the similar type of integral like this. So now here you can assume t is equal u is equal to t plus half. Now what you can do, you can do du is equal to dt. So you can replace this dt by this du, and this t plus half by u. So it will become like u square plus 3 by 4. So now here a will become like root 3 by 2, and this x will come like this u. So and u we assume like t plus half, so you can replace that by t plus half here, and here it is root 3 by 2, and here it is root 3 by 2. So now if you further simplify, this thing will be the same, and here you can write this part in this way, like 2 by root 3, and here it is 2x square plus 1 divided by root 3. So I replace this t by x square, which we assume initially. Like you see here, we assume initially t is equal to x square. So the final solution will be in terms of x only. So I replace this t by x square and this will come like this. So this is the final integral which we have to do. So in this way we can solve this.